Hi Falcons, my name is Grace Strain. You may have seen me around the second floor of Hayes Hall. I am the secretary for both the Center for Women and Gender Equity and the Office of Title IX. I just wanted to come to you today to give a brief message. I know these are very uncertain times, as we've already heard, but I think they're also very isolating times that can make us feel really alone. So I wanted to share some tips that I have that help me kind of connect both to myself and to the people around me and really feel that sense of belonging that I think we're missing right now. So the biggest thing I think is self-care for a lot of us, especially those of us that are struggling with mental illness or other issues with mental health, that it's really important to take stock, that it's important to check in with yourself on a daily basis and make sure that you're reaching out for the help that you need. Obviously, as someone connected to BGSU, you have access to the BGSU Counseling Center. They're still doing, televisits or whatever you want to call it, but able to do kind of that distance counseling and care. But also just thinking about the hobbies that you love that you can reconnect with. So whether that's gaming or reading or going on walks when that's safe, really doing those things that bring joy back into your day and kind of remind you that you're grounded in where you are right now. I also think it's really important that we take care of each other in times like these. So thinking about your friends and family, make sure that you're reaching out to them, whether that's a meme or a funny video or pictures of your pets. I know especially I love getting cat pictures in this time. But really doing those check-ins, I know it's really easy to get in our own heads and think that maybe we don't want to burden other people or reach out to them. But right now, I think we all want to hear from the people that we care about. So make sure that you're doing that as much as you can, setting up Skype dates with friends or Zoom or FaceTime or all these other technologies. Just stay connected with each other. Also think about how you can reach out and help other people that maybe you don't know, or that you're helping groups, right? So if you have the resources and the time, donate where you can, right? So think about your local food banks or organizations that you really care about, especially those that are directly serving the most marginalized among us. So we do understand that in times like these, people who are already disenfranchised are disproportionately affected. So really think about, what do I have to give? And how can I spread that around to really help other people? And maybe that looks as small as sending one of your best friends or family members a surprise package on their doorstep, right? Those little acts of care are really important, and I think they're actually really a part of our community already. So stay safe, stay inside, wash your hands, and we'll get through this, and I'll see you on the other side.